Hey everyone, this is Techphillics here out with another video. In this app, we'll discuss how to use StepSetGo effectively. Remember that you can log in from only one device at a time. To begin with, we've got 5 tabs on our home screen: Home, Friends, Bazaar, Coins and Profile. Talking about the first tab, Home, where you could see the total number of steps that you have taken in one day and the coins you have earned from it. It also shows you the level with which we will talk about depth in later, and 3 other buttons which follow up after the levels. Now talking about coins, when you tap on the coins button, it directs you to the coins tab and gives you further details, like the number of basic steps you have taken, the number of auto steps you have taken, and also invalid steps. Now 1000 steps that you take outside your house is considered as 1.25 SSG coins, whereas 1000 basic steps that you would receive by walking at home would give you 1 SSG coin only. So here's a trick. In order to always receive outdoor steps or 1.25 SSG coins, make sure that you change your GPS setting to always on, or else the app considers that you're taking basic steps at home. You need not pay much heed to invalid steps because that shows you your movement in steps via transport and does not reward you with any points. You can also check how many coins you have earned by checking all the transactions in the same tab. Now moving back out, when you tap the level button, it will show you the level that you are on. You will get to see the daily limit of the coins you can earn in one day and minimum amount of coins you need to earn in one day to be in the safe zone. This feature of the app keeps you motivated to walk every day and earn more by walking more. In order to upgrade to the next level, you need to reach the daily limit 3 days in a row, or else you downgrade to the previous level, with level 1 being the basic level. Talking about the 3 box shaped icons, it shows you the daily rewards, invite a friend and coins. On hitting daily rewards button, it takes you to the Bazaar tab, wherein on reaching the bottom of the page you can see daily rewards, and by tapping on it you get to see an ad for which you are rewarded with 1 whole SSG coin. You are allowed to earn only 4 such SSG coins in a day. The next button, invite a friend, leads to sharing a certain link on any social media or mail so that you can receive 5 whole SSG coins without even walking 5000 steps. Good, huh? And moving out, the third tab to the right shows you the total number of coins you have in your SSG account. Press it and it leads you to the coins tab. And moving next to the friends tab, you can add your friends who are already on StepSetGo and can check your rank with your friends and with all the people in the world who are using SSG. It wouldn't be people in the entire world, it would mainly be people in India. And also you can check your friend's profile by going in depth in the friends tab. The Bazaar. The most attractive place where your dreams may or can come true is the Bazaar. StepSetGo allows you to redeem your coins in the Bazaar, and you can redeem anything you want in the Bazaar. Yes, I agree, there are limited options, but it's not like it's that bad. Check the Bazaar out after installing the app and let me know what you are aiming for. I'm aiming for the Echo Dot right now, and remember that you can even bookmark any item you want in the Bazaar. There's another thing which you should note is that all the items on the Bazaar keep changing from time to time, and StepSetGo does not define the validity period, so it may expire after a certain amount of time. So make sure that you walk as soon as possible and collect those amount of coins to redeem that product you like on the Bazaar. Moving to the last tab, since we have already covered all the coins and the home, the friends, the Bazaar, we have already covered coins, and you will have the final tab, which is profile, where you can have your settings and account details. You can also see a graph of your everyday walking movement in a month. Tap here and you'll discover more and you'll have a better understanding of that tab. Now before I say goodbye, I hope you remember the trick I mentioned earlier. Let me also add this, that Google Fit and the way it uses its sensors to understand the way people walk is not very accurate. Hence always keep your phone in the walking while you walk and not in the hand, or else it will not consider your steps. Try meeting your daily limits and you will succeed, and you can finally end up redeeming something from the Bazaar. Yes, this is legitimate. You should try this app out. I would recommend it. I would say that is all from my end. Like the video if you're able to understand your way through the app. Share the video with others so that even they would know about StepSetGo. Make sure that you only log in from one device at one time, because StepSetGo has mentioned that they support only one device from one side. And that's all from my end. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good one. Take care.